Guys, I want to charge my Samsung S22 now. I want you to hear the sound it will play once I plug my charger, and I will teach you at the end of this video. Thank you. Make sure you follow up. Let me plug it now. Just watch.
Thank you for charging me your Samsung S22 that its screen alone can buy iPhone 17 Pro Max.
I hope you hear this sound. So let me teach you how do you do it. Let's go. So to learn this, go to your Samsung setting. Let me teach you very quickly. So once you come to your Samsung setting, you click on it. Then you scroll down a little bit until you see mode and routines. Click on it. Once you click on mode and routine, you come down here, you click routine. Then you come up here until you see this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. Then having clicked on this plus icon, you click on add what will trigger this routine. Click on it. Then here you go down, you scroll down until you see charging status. Click on charging status. Then here you uncheck this wireless charging to leave only wire charging. Then click done. Then you come down here, you see add what this routine will do. Click on it. Then here you scroll down until you see notification. Click on this notification here. Then you click show custom notification. Then this place you can enter the title you want. Just enter the title. Maybe you can say thank you, or maybe thanks. Then notification test, here is where you will write whatever you want. Like in my previous video, I say thank you for charging me your Samsung S22, which is screen alone can buy iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here you can type something. Maybe I can say thank you for charging me your Samsung S22, which is screen alone can buy iPhone 16 Pro. Then you come down here and then you click read this notification aloud. Click on it. Then you click done. Then you come down here and click save.